Blockchain and Aviation, episode 17. Blockchain and Aviation, episode 17, focused on managing air traffic growth. And I brought in yet another guest who had a tremendous amount of experience, Dimitri. And Demetrius is a PhD professor at Cranfield University. And Cranfield University focuses on technology and aviation for advanced degree, programs. And they have worked with a large number of people in consortiums to be able to bring together industry needs and bring together technology and to be able to help people in understanding how technology can be applied in aviation. And what he talked to us about was that the airway systems are really operating at their peak capacities today. And the end result is that there really isn't room for growth without having change. And what's happening is that the industry is changing dramatically right now through the implementations of UAVs and eVTOLs and UAMs, urban air mobility and drones and things like that. They were projecting that the growth is roughly 10x in the near future. And so the end result is that our systems are at capacity. Unless we do something to increase capacity, all while maintaining higher levels of safety, we're not going to be able to grow. And it's very difficult when regulators and when people that manage the environments get behind the industry or aren't advancing as fast. And so what I mean by that is that if we have a rapid growth in uncrewed vehicles and the air traffic system can't handle that, then we just have problems. We have congestion, we have breakdown of the system because we can't allow for it to be unsafe. So we basically are able to now leverage technology to reduce tower workloads and increase capacity with blockchain. Gabe, what were your takeaways from this session?
Yeah, my takeaway from that was, we need to grow, right? So the technologies are there, and without this growth, we're falling behind.
Yeah, one of my key takeaways, of course, was safety's number one.
Safety.
And so what happens is that the system slows down in order that they can maintain safety. And so unless we do something to grow and scale, we're not going to be able to do it because we have to maintain a safe system. All right, let's go to our next episode, which is episode 18. Blockchain and Aviation, episode 18. Very exciting episode where we talked about Ethereum for private jets. NFTs basically are now a place where we can open up new opportunities for business opportunities, and creative people like our guest, Nick, call sign Moose, Nick Scott, is the founder of ETHJets. And what they did is they took an existing challenge that existed out there in the industry, was that there's a significant increase in the demand for private jet travel, and it's growing at a rapid pace over the last couple of years. And there's hundreds of millions of dollars, I think he said about $250 million of unfulfilled charter requests that exist out there today. And so what they're trying to do is they're trying to create an environment where all these new people can have greater access to private jet travel by applying some creative means, like the application of an NFT into private jet travel. Now you might ask, well, how does applying an NFT to private jet travel help? Well, it provides with equity within the process, accessibility to new jets. He's partnered with companies who have empty jets that are flying back. It's called empty legs. And what they're doing is they're making empty leg travel accessible to people that are NFT holders out there. And so it's opening up private jet travel to a whole new class of people and a whole new group of people that are NFT and crypto enthusiasts. Gabe, what are your thoughts on this initiative?
Yeah, once again, it's another amazing utility of an NFT, right? So this is just another showcase of what we can do with NFTs, other than them just being pictures sold on OpenSea.
Yeah, you'll be able to watch the replay of this, and I really highly recommend that you do. And you can also go to ethjets.io and you can learn more about it.